Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, what is the syntax for creating a class in Java? Let me answer. The syntax for creating a class in Java is, we have to write something like this: public, class name, starting brace, ending brace. This is the syntax for creating or writing a class in Java. Let me write it for you again. Okay. So here I have taken a notepad which comes by default in Windows machine. Here I'll first type public. Okay. Public access modifier. This public is an access modifier followed by a keyword known as class keyword. Complete lowercase. Everything so far is in complete lowercase. Class is a keyword. Okay. Which will be used. Okay. For creating a class. If you want to create a class in Java, we have to use this keyword known as class keyword. Okay. After public class, okay, after public class, we have to give the class name. So whatever the class name, but make sure that naming convention of this class name is in upper camel case. As per the industry standards, when you are giving the class name, you have to give the class name in upper camel case. Let's say sample class demo. Okay, I'm just giving the name of the class like this. Okay, you see there are three words, and in every word, the first letter of every word is in capital letter, and remaining all letters are in lowercase. This is called as upper camel case naming convention. While giving the name for a particular class, make sure that you give the naming convention of that class as name that particular class in upper camel case. Okay, so class is a keyword and class name, and this is the starting of the class. This is the ending of the class. Okay, the class is starting here. The class is ending here. So class name, starting of the class, ending of the class. This is a modifier, guys, access modifier. It can be either before a class, you can put a access modifier like public, or you can remove also, not a problem. You can create a class like this also. You don't have to provide public here. It's not compulsory. You can, if you remove that, public won't be there. Okay. Public access modifier is not there, but still class will be created. Like this also, you can create a class. So if you don't provide any access modifier here like public, there is going to be something known as a default modifier we generally call default access modifier. So either public or default access modifiers can be provided before a class keyword while creating a class in Java. Other modifiers like private or protected are illegal guys. Okay, we cannot provide before a class. Let me prove you that in detail in Eclipse IDE. It will be more better because compilation will happen automatically and we'll get to know the errors in notepad kind of software. We'll not get to know the errors, what is correct, what is not correct. But if I write the same thing in Eclipse IDE, there's a possibility. Okay, here I'm going to create a new class. New class. I'm just going to, you see, Eclipse IDE will write the syntax for me. I don't have to write it basically. Here I'll give the same name, sample uh, demo. Okay, what was the name I gave here? Sample class demo. Okay, right? Sample class demo. I'm just trying to create and click on finish. The class will be created, guys. Sample class demo class will be created. You see, public class name, public class name, right? This came fine. So here, this public is a access modifier in Java. And if I remove this public, it's called as a default access modifier. Okay. If there is no modifier specified, means it is default access modifier. Either default or public can be there while creating class. Either like this or with public keyword I can create. You see, no errors are coming so far. But if I put private here, you see, error is coming saying that illegal modifier for the class, only public and no public, that is a default, can be provided. But if you provide private or protected, you will get errors like this. Okay, you'll get the similar errors. Okay, illegal modifier kind of errors you will get. So it's better that you either provide public. Most of the cases public will be there, but if you don't want public, you can remove also. Okay, so hope guys you got the syntax for creating a class in Java. With practical demonstration, I've explained the syntax for creating a class in Java or Java programming. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.